The UK's controversial illegal migration bill is set to become law. This is after the Tory party-led government won a final series of votes in the House of Lords. Well, the bill, it went through a late-night debate in the House of Lords. Several amendments by peers were defeated by MPs, including the key amendments of time limits on child detention and modern slavery protections. Well, the past few weeks, the MPs were engaged in a kind of ping-pong battle with the Lords over the final form of the bill. However, the last of the proposed changes was voted down, and now the bill can go for a royal assent, where the King will formally agree to make the bill an act. Now, the Archbishop of Canterbury, Justin Welby, also dropped his demand for a 10-year strategy for collaborating internationally on refugees and human trafficking to the UK after his demands were again rejected by MPs. Well, the illegal migration bill is one of the 5 pledges of UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak. He has vowed to end the small boats crossing in the English Channel. Now, on several occasions, debates, Tories have argued that small boats arriving have overwhelmed the UK's asylum system. The bill will now direct the government to detain and remove those arriving in the UK illegally. The government is expected to send them to Rwanda or another safe country. Now, the Rwanda plan is still making its way through legal ways. Now, this is after last month a court ruled the plan unlawful. For more, our London correspondent Alex Isaac is standing by. So this is going to be seen as an achievement by Rishi Sunak, but he still has to get those so-called illegal immigrants on those planes.
Well, it's not just about getting them out, it's about stopping the boats coming over completely. And this migration bill doesn't really put that into practice. There are still a lot of unanswered questions about exactly how that's going to happen. The fact is that it's been said that when people come over illegally, there's more of an opportunity to send them away, deport them back to their own countries if they're coming over for financial gains, or send them over to Rwanda if they haven't already tried to go through the asylum process here in the UK. But there are still many questions. How long people are going to be put over here in accommodation? What are the processes? There is a huge backlog, and the backlog was one of the promises that Rishi Sunak, Prime Minister, has said that he would try and get through. In fact, now Keir Starmer, a Labour Party, is also trying to promise that they will also get rid of that backlog. So there is still a long way to go with regards to how we're going to move forward as a country to ensure that the people that are coming over are doing it firstly legally and are actually requiring the assistance that are needed to get out of their country and to arrive safely. So even though we are focusing on those illegal immigrants that come over in boats and risk their lives for a whole host of reasons, there are also those other issues about making sure that those people that come from places that really do need help and asylum are also getting it as well. And they're still in hotels, and there's this huge backlog, and that is also costing not just the UK taxpayer, but it's also costing time and energy as well. And many people who have come over to seek asylum legally do just want to get on with their life. They want to work, they want to integrate with society. So there is a lot more to it than just getting those people on a plane and out of the country and deporting those that shouldn't be here.
Alex Isaac, thank you so very much indeed. Talking about that illegal migration bill that has passed the Lords now, and of course this comes on the same day that we've got a barge for asylum seekers arriving in Dorset as well. Alex Isaac, thank you, our correspondent in the British capital.